pumpkin pancakes. Really easy to make and absolutely delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel. And today we're making, as I mentioned, pumpkin pancakes. I've got 2 kids, and during the week, breakfast tends to be hectic and it's something quick and easy, but the weekends, that's when we kind of indulge. And it's usually waffles or pancakes. And now that it's the season, but for me it's always the season, we're going to be making them with pumpkin puree. I like to make it by myself from scratch, just because I believe that it's tastier, maybe healthier. I have a video of how to make this, and if you click somewhere here in one of the corners, I'll attach it. So yeah, let's use it. I mean, it's fall. It's all about pumpkins. What else do we need? This is the section with like the dry ingredients, and these are the wet. We're gonna mix these up in a bowl using a whisk. Very, very simple, nothing complicated. You don't need any like equipment. You could use a food processor or a blender, but trust me, it comes together really nice and simple. So we have flour. Today I'm using whole wheat spelt flour. I think it's more dense, nutrient dense, and it has like a really nice nutty flavor that works really, really well here. I'm gonna use some salt. I have some baking powder. As always, the details are below in the description, so you can have a look. If you have like a pumpkin spice mix, use that. Mine is finished because I've been cooking pumpkin all the time. So I'm just gonna use some cinnamon, a lot of it, and I'm gonna use some nutmeg, and I'm gonna grate it fresh just because it's just so much more potent and delicious and great. So we're gonna mix that in one bowl thoroughly. And with the wet ingredients, again, my pumpkin puree, 1 egg, any kind of milk. I'm using oat milk, but you can do whatever you have at home, a little bit of coconut oil, and maple syrup. You could use any other sweetener. It could be brown sugar, coconut sugar, agave, but maple syrup just goes perfectly here. Now let's mix this up. Then we'll whisk this up. We'll combine the two, introduce them, and fry them up. It's that simple. So, it's the perfect recipe. Quick and easy. You don't need any fancy technical stuff. Just plain ingredients. Very nourishing. My kids are thrilled. They've been looking forward to this breakfast. Look how fluffy they are inside. And that pumpkin, it's barely there. It's still like a pancake, but it's there. And it adds nutrition, flavor. These are amazing. You have to try them. I'm gonna go get my kids. Are you excited about the pancakes?
I am. In Canada, they have this every day for breakfast.
They wish. You like it? Good stuff? Okay.